see that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done by
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the baby Sam. To my babies, hey, what's good? I hope you guys are doing great. You'll know the drill. Wasting anyone's time is definitely not a brand, so let's get right into this vlog. So in my last vlog, people said that they can't hear me. I hope you guys can hear me now. I'm trying to work on my volume. I'm not too sure what the problem is, because when I watch the vlogs and when I edit the vlogs, I can actually hear myself very loudly. Maybe I'm the problem, dude. Don't nerves anyway. But yeah, I'll fix that. So we are now getting ready for an event, and that's where this vlog is starting. I'm taking you guys with me. I'm at the office. Hi, Bo. Wow, I'm at the office and I'm in the bathroom. I'm getting ready. I'm gonna get dressed now and leave because we are running late. I was just doing my face and yeah, preparing for the event. So let's go. Hope you guys enjoy.
in your heart, you can't try it.
Hi! How are you? My favorite vlogger.
I'm vlogging.
The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change.
Hi guys, so we are at the Housing Hotel for the iconic event and we're having fun. Usually I'm having fun with my husband. But I will have a drink. I just need this for starters.
Ipapa bathi toileta. Hilton College. You had a jet vest.
I'm sure Sabella can cook this pap.
I can, and there was we
Action.
3, 2, 1, go.
Again, start over.
No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting.
Are we going to Eastgate? Yeah, boy. Okay. Guys, so today is me and Nandi's. So today it's okay. Sorry, you'll go now. It's me and Nandi's farewell. I'm not sure when you guys are gonna see her on my vlogs again, but when we meet up,
Mine says September.
what is
Joking, I'm not gonna go there. No, Asipa and I are gonna do lunch on a regular second, like in
Period.
So I'm gonna go my events. I'm gonna chill on the piano.
As you should.
Oh wait, but we're both moving. Hey, Saba.
I'm not giving yet.
Yeah, but when you do.
But when I do, yes.
When I
So today is not our last day. Like next week is our last week at Cinnamon. So yeah.
Today's the farewell.
Serenity. See you guys later.
Go pee.
Go pee. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the babies fam. To my babies, hey, what's good, dolls? I hope you guys are doing great. You know the drill. We're seeing runs time is definitely not on brand. So let's get right into this vlog. So this is another vlog. And today is Friday. Yeah, you guys saw me previously, but yeah, today's another day. So hope you guys do enjoy.
Turkish.
I want it so much.
And Kuba utimantini.
That place. Oh, Vlogisha.
Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that capping. Yeah, he need be relaxing, he need did your taxes. Yeah. We went triple platinum, won't wanna hear no nagging. Made it happen. Young and out there, bottom money, made it happen. I don't wanna make no friends, put me to my ends. Who we think he is, in that brand new Benz. Should've knew I was coming, just a little young and I knew I'd give me some money. Know I turned nothing to something, I look at your cousin, the youngest, he's me and running. I promise to keep it 100, keep it 100. You see me down in the house, so you got that respect me. Fuck you, give me my check, please. Young and chasing dreams, reaching for the stars. I had it all. But now I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. Yeah. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than ever. Whipping a Tesla, cars, hoes, etc. Hit 'em with pressure. My niggas won't let up. Tell them niggas to catch up.
Guys, I don't know how I look. I probably look like a mess. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I just got back from the lunch that we're having. I am at home, but Caesar just texted me and she's like, let's go out. So I don't know, because I'm really tired. I might just snap a little bit and then go out, but I don't think I'm gonna vlog when I'm out. Really, I don't think I'm gonna vlog, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow because there's a couple of things that I'm doing tomorrow and Sunday. I'm hoping I'm going to rest a little bit this weekend because I've been working for quite some time and your girl is tired. Okay, I just had fish. Well, I finished off my food that I had, so yeah, catch you guys later if I do vlog, or catch you guys tomorrow. Toodles.
Diamonds that sit on the dresser. Run up that check now, flexing my muscles. I feel like cause we come from nothing, new rollies and plaques, fake love.
Come say hi. Hi. You look so cute.
Flashbacks while you pouring the ice. Since a young nigga, he just wanted to shine. Used to daydream about thumbing the racks. He tuck and get cold in the rack. Tears fall while he loading the strap.
It's because me, I say La Nina.
Oh, this is not my house also, just saying.
Whose house is this?
No. This is not how the fish usually looks. It usually has like healthy
Food, ne?
yeah. But you know, because I've got alcoholic friends, I had to.
You know
I don't even
what?
drink. Like, it's just so crazy. You know, I just have my water.
What you don't what?
I don't partake in the drinking.
I partake in the snake.
Drink.
Ne? That's what you do. Come on, what's your duties here?
You have a owner. Everything is now. But yeah, thank you guys for coming.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jane. Happy birthday to you.
You just wanna relax I'm richer than I ever been. Put my heart before the bag, worst shit I ever did. Gave you a second chance and you left.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another day. Today is a Sunday, but today is a different Sunday because this Sunday is very slow for me. I think I'm getting my period, so I'm just irritated by everything. I'm just tired. But anyway, the last time you guys saw me was yesterday. I was at Jade's bride. It was quite last minute, that's why I couldn't update you guys where I was going because it wasn't planned. But yeah, and then right after that I came back home. So now I just came back from church. Well, I just woke up from a nap after church. I'm gonna go cook, so let's go to the kitchen. I want to make cabbage. I don't know how, so I call my mom and ask for ingredients because she makes the best cabbage. So I just wanted to tell me how to make it. So I'm about to make cabbage. It's not the first time. The first time I made it for my boyfriend. And it didn't turn out right. And I even told him, I was like, but he ate it and he finished it. So, but anyway, I want to make cabbage. I'm going to make a full meal. So let's go to the kitchen.
You're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you. Without you, I'm hurting my you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back. See, my days are cool without you. Without you, I'm hurting my you. No more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get the strength to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me when it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more. No more. See, my days are cold without you. And my heart can't take no more. No more.
Somebody says your name in my stomach, there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. The reason why.
Me. Cooking for my family, 10 out of 10, me, 0. I won't lie, I'm so tired, and I still have work to do. So now we're gonna dish up, and then when we're done dishing up, I said I'm gonna dish up at 7, actually. Yeah, but I have to dish up, and then after that, I'm gonna start working, which I'll probably not shoot. So this vlog might end whilst I have dished up. So yeah.
I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. In the zone, you're nervous when you go. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing stars on the sign. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby.
Hey, Sunny Bonani. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We've come to the end of the vlog, and this is how my Sunday went. Oh no, Sana. This is how my Sunday went. I'm really sorry. I was just switching off the volume. Anyway, I baked, I cooked, and you guys saw the food was delicious. Everything was yum yum. One thing about me, I can't wait to get married because I'm gonna cook for my family. As much as I don't like cooking every day, but when I cook, I do cook. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my vlogs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, till another vloggity vlog. Bye.